Crypto.com just surpassed Coinbase in trading volume and has become the #1 exchange in North America. But what caused this sudden surge in trading volume? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the one and only Coin Baron, and really if you hold yourself some CRO tokens or you're an active user of the Crypto.com app or the Cronos ecosystem, this is definitely news you don't want to miss. Because honestly, this is very bullish. Crypto.com surpassing Coinbase is not just a small milestone. And also right now, guys, on X, the leadership is definitely celebrating. Over here, for example, Chris from Crypto.com is also sharing this article. And honestly, guys, they rightfully do so, because over here, you do see that Coinbase itself is already a $52 billion company. So overtaking them is no small feat. In a minute, we will dive into the details of how Crypto.com overtook Coinbase in trading volume. But first, why does trading volume really matter? To answer that, we head over to Investopedia over here. And guys, it's a great read, so I'll link it in the description down below. But the most important takeaway is over here. Volume tells investors about the market activity and liquidity. Higher trade volumes for specified security mean higher liquidity, better order execution, and a more active market for connecting a buyer and a seller. And ladies and gentlemen, if you go to the Crypto.com exchange and you go, for example, to Bitcoin versus Tether, you do see over here the order book, and you do see the order book is really well filled. So if you want to make a trade, you can hop in and hop out doing market buys or limit orders. So overall, I think you do have great liquidity. In general, if you want to trade crypto, you should do so with an exchange with low fees and high liquidity. So therefore, guys, high trading volume. Also, if you take a look at this list over here by CoinGecko, we do see that based on the 24-hour volume, Crypto.com has become the #3 globally, just behind Binance and Bybit. And guys, over here in the Netherlands, we don't have access to Binance, and I personally don't like to use Bybit. So the next logical choice would be to use Crypto.com. And I think for many people, that choice will come naturally. Lastly, trading volume is also a big indicator of profitability of an exchange. Companies like Coinbase and Crypto.com, of course, make their money on you trading on their platform and you paying a small fee. And as you see to the left of me, over here, we do see the fee structure. And if you trade very little on the exchange, you pay quite the fee, 0.3%. But the more you start trading, the lower the fee will get, to maybe even 0. And guys, with certain incentives as well, you might even get money for you making trades because you are providing liquidity to the exchange as well. But okay, in general, guys, the more trading volume, the more profit. So Crypto.com is probably making a boatload of money based on these fees. Why should I care? Well, guys, with their profit, they can also fund strategic marketing efforts, like, for example, the incentives with your Crypto.com Visa card, with maybe welcome bonuses, and all these things, of course, need to be paid, and they can also, of course, come back to you, the user. So therefore, guys, I do think this is, of course, a great thing, because also with these marketing efforts, they will get even more trading volume. So all in all, I think a positive loop. Anyways, was this high trading volume in July a one-time lucky strike, or has something really changed? And well, to answer that, I want to go to this article over here by The Block, and the full article will be linked in the description down below. And while you're there, guys, don't forget to push that like button and subscribe for more. Anyways, what I do mention over here in the article is a 38.5% market share for spot crypto trading. And I do want to highlight spots over here because crypto also has a very big derivatives market. And over there, Crypto.com is not as big as, for example, Bybit and Binance. But okay, still, guys, spot is the most important market for crypto. And what I do mention over here is also a comment by Giuseppe Giuliani. I hope I didn't butcher that. But okay, he is the managing director of Crypto.com exchange. And he has been saying that this growth has been, well, growing month on month and has been driven by the acquisition of new clients on the platform, including large institutions and advanced retail traders. Due to the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, there's been a big increase in demand by institutions for cryptocurrency. And it does seem like that Crypto.com wants a big piece of that pie. Just looking over here, guys, on the careers page of Crypto.com, you do see over here, institutional sales manager. And over here, they do have so many careers out there for institutional sales managers. So if you want a career at Crypto.com, I hope you're working in sales. Moreover, the blog also does mention the broader market. And of course, in the last 12 months, we have seen a rise in the total crypto market cap. But also they do mention marketing. Crypto.com has been ramping up their marketing efforts over the past few years, like becoming the first crypto advertiser on the Sphere, as well as buying the naming rights to the sports stadium called the Crypto.com Arena, of course. So it does seem that the strategy has been executed perfectly by Crypto.com, and right now it is paying off 100%. So this is looking very bullish for Crypto.com. What is looking less bullish is the price action of the former Crypto.com coin, or currently called Cronos on the chart over here. Really is this continuation downtrend that we do see over here. But right now, I have to say, it seems we're setting a higher low. That is looking a bit more bullish, of course. But really, guys, for the short term, I wouldn't expect too much really of this institutional income by the Crypto.com exchange. So guys, really we have to wait for retail to come in, and they will come in, of course, because they do see, hey, this is a great place to do make my trades because all my orders are executed perfectly and also the fees are relatively cheap as well. So if you're a CRO holder out there, don't expect to make big bags directly based on this news, of course. But I do see a slow and steady play with Crypto.com and the CRO token. So guys, that is also my advice to you. And of course, no financial advice, but the CRO token will be a slow mover, but I think a big mover in the end anyways. With that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Let me know, please, in the comments down below what you think of this news. Do you believe the news? Do you think it's worth trading? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let us know in the comments down below and let's really start the discussion. And while you're there, guys, don't forget to push that like button and, of course, subscribe to more. But that's me. I'm the one and only Coin Baron, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.